In this Guitar for Beginners lesson, we're going to have a look at the B major chord. The B major shape uses 4 fingers, the first finger, second, third and fourth, and is very similar to the B flat and the A shape chord. The similarity is the fact that we use these 3 fingers here, the second, third and fourth. And on the B major chord, these fingers will go on the 4th fret of the D, the G and the B string. Now that gives us, but we also need one more finger, that one there, and this one is going to go on the 1st string, the top E string, at the 2nd fret, like so. You can see it there. And with all new guitar shapes, check that these strings all ring out. So they all sound pretty good. Give it a try. Using this basic shape, we only need these top 4 strings. So the low E and the A string, the 5th string, are dampened. Okay, the thumb is dampening the E string, and it's the 2nd finger here that is just touching the A string. Remember also that your fingers should be as close as you can to the fret, but not on, because you'll get that kind of thing. As close as you can. Now don't get discouraged if your chord isn't sounding like that. It will take a bit of time, but you'll get there in the end, don't you worry about it. To make a B major chord, we need the 1st note, the 3rd note and the 5th note. And the 1st note is a B. The 3rd note is a D sharp and the 5th note is an F sharp. And if we translate that to the guitar, let's look at the strings that we're fretting. So on the D string at the 4th fret, the 2nd finger is playing an F sharp. Now here, from the G string is where the triad begins. The G string is playing a B note here at the 4th fret. The B string at the 4th fret is a D sharp note, and the top E string at the 2nd fret is an F sharp. So these 2 fingers here, the 2nd and the 1st finger, are the same notes. They're both F sharps. Just a little bit of theory for you there. Now there are no really easy ways of playing this. This is as basic as you can get. One other way that some guitarists like to play this is by taking everything off, using the 1st finger to play the D, the G and the B strings, like that. And you'll have to make sure that the 1st finger is touching, just touching mind you, the 5th string, and the thumb is still dampening. The 6th string will be dampened just by the flesh of your finger. And you have that sound. So let me know how you go with either this one or this one by leaving me a comment down below. So let's try a little practice. We're going to do a little simple chord progression using E, A and B. If you're not sure about A or you're not sure about E, then check the links in the description for a lesson on those. So we're going to play 2 bars of E, 2 bars of A, 2 bars of B, and then we'll finish on an E. So follow me or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, when playing the chord progression, you don't want to be speeding up, you don't want to be slowing down. Keep the rhythm as even and as steady as possible. If you want a little extra practice for the B chord, I'm going to leave a link up there. Click it and you'll go to a 12-bar blues progression in E, which will practice E, A and B. Give it a go. If you're not busy now, why not check out this link here for a playlist of all basic chords that'll get you playing all your favourite songs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.